Total of all U.S. military aircraft and helicopters, complete with the type of aircraft. Total aircraft, the sum of all U.S. military aircraft and helicopters. Includes trainer and cargo aircraft. Does not include drones. The total number of aircraft is 12,930 units. Including fighters aircraft 461 units, Multirole Aircraft 2,417 units, attack and bomber aircraft 566 units, helicopters 4,741 units, UCAV, combat drone, 334 units. Here are the details. A. Fighter aircraft 461 units. 1. F-22, 186 units. 2. F-15 Eagle, 234 units. 3. F-5N Tiger II, 41 units. B. Multirole Aircraft 2,417 units. 1. F-16, 948 units. 2. F-15E Strike Eagle, 218 units. 3. F-A-18 Hornet, 273 units. 4. F-A-18E, F Super Hornet, 512 units. 5. F-35A, 283 units. 6. F-35B, 57 units. 7. F-35C, 118 units. 8. F-15X Eagle II, 8 units. C. Attack and bomber aircraft 566 units. 1. A-10, 286 units. 2. AC-130, 31 units. 3. B-1 Lancer, 59 units. 4. B-2 Spirit, 19 units. 5. B-52, 74 units. 6. Harrier II, 97 units. D. Helicopters 4,741 units. 1. A-60 Black Hawk, 1451 units. 2. A-64 Apache, 792 units. 3. HH-65 Dolphin, 98 units. 4. CH-47 Chinook, 442 units. 5. A-60 Black Hawk, 58 units. 6. MH-47 Chinook, 61 units. 7. HH-60 Pave Hawk, 106 units. 8. UH-1N Twin Huey, 65 units. 9. AH-1Z Viper, 90 units. 10. CH-53E Super Stallion, 142 units. 11. MH-60 Seahawk, 508 units. 12. MH-53 Sea Dragon, 27 units. 13. TH-1H Iroquois, 40 units. 14. TH-67 Creek, 88 units. 15. TH-57 Sea Ranger, 114 units. 16. MH-AH-6M Little Bird, 47 units. 17. MH-60 Blackhawk, 58 units. 18. UH-72A Lakota, 341 units. 19. UH-1Y Venom, 160 units. 20. VH-3D Sea King, 11 units. 21. MH-60T Jayhawk, 42 units. E. UCAV, Combat Drone, 334 units. 1. MQ-9 Reaper, 251 units. 2. General Atomics Avenger, 8 units. 3. MQ-1C Gray Eagle, 75 units. Thanks for watching my channel and subscribe to update new videos.